First of all, it will be the explanation of unit function switching. This unit function switching product is applicable only to W at the end of the model number. If you press the power button for 1 second or longer while pressing the 0 button while the power is off, the unit switching mode is set. When the pressure display unit is blinking, you can switch with the 0 button. You can choose from kilopascal, megapascal, milli Hg, inch Hg, psi, bar. Press the hold button to confirm. Next, I will explain the auto power-off setting. If you press the power button for 1 second or longer while pressing the 0 button while the power is off, the unit switching mode is set. Selectable from 4 types: 3 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes after 0 pressure, and no setting. Press the hold button to confirm. If there is no operation for 20 seconds or more, it is automatically determined by the setting on the display. It was set to turn off in 3 minutes, so it turned off automatically at that time. Next, I will introduce each function using a compressor. Press the power button to turn on the power. Since the compressor was operated, the pressure value increased. Since hold is set, the pressure value is held. I turned off the compressor, but the pressure value is held because the hold is set. Since the hold was released, the pressure value dropped. The pressure went up because I started the compressor again. If you press the 0 button for 3 seconds or longer, you can measure the amount of pressure change with the time of pressing as 0. I turned off the compressor, but since I set it to 0 while it was being pressurized, the pressure value dropped to minus. The display flashes when the pressure exceeds 30% of the rating as pressurized or decompressed. Finally, press the power button to turn off the display. PG100B is also compatible with liquids. If the humidity is high even with gas, please choose PG100B.